welcome to my course. If you're watching this, then it probably means that you've gone ahead and you've either purchased Systeme or you're about to. Now, in this video, in this whole series of videos, I'm going to be covering almost every single option Systeme allows you and provides you with. So we're really going to be going through the absolute basics all the way to setting everything up and how to do it. And then in my other courses, I'm also going to be covering marketing strategies and all sorts of funnel strategies and what's not. So if you're a little bit curious about what Systeme actually is, then the best way to think of them is, have you ever heard of ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or Builderall? These are all online funnel builders, sales builders, all-in-one solutions to help you with your online marketing strategies. So if you need to build a one-page website or a full-blown member site, Systeme can do this for you. If you need to set up email marketing responders and all sorts like that, again, Systeme can do that for you. If you need to automate everything, again, Systeme can do that. But it also goes one step further because it can be your own personal CRM. And if you don't know what a CRM is, it's something that every single business should actually have. And it stands for client relationship manager or customer relationship manager, anything on those lines. And what it is, it's a place where all your clients, all your customers, all your leads, everything is all in one place, accessible by you just by one login. And this is no exception. So this is a really exciting software, and I know as you watch the rest of my videos and how to do what's not, you're going to enjoy it. So keep watching, and if you've got any questions, make sure you leave it underneath the video or send me an email.